Hi all, Karthik here from Design School by Wpalgoridm. In this video, I just want to show you how you can style your WP Forms contact forms which you have built in the WP Forms form builder interface. We've discussed about WP Forms in a lot of videos. You can check out WP Forms playlist for more info on it. So if you want to style it, I showed you how to do it using code, using CSS to be precise, but not everyone is comfortable. You can also do it without writing code by using a powerful add-on for Elementor called Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. It's made by the same folks who made Astra theme, which has over 1 million installs, almost about to hit 1 million installs. So first build the form that you want in the WP Forms form builder interface. I have a sample form just to show you. So it's called all field form where I have all kinds of fields. I'll be using this to demonstrate how this ultimate add-ons widget works and how to style it. So once you build the form in WP Forms form builder interface, you need to have ultimate add-ons for Elementor installed. If you don't have ultimate add-ons, you can get it from the link in the description. Open up any page, post or Elementor template. Drag in the ultimate add-ons WP Forms styler. You can scroll down and you find it here. You can also search for it. So it's this one. Click and drag it into your Elementor screen. And once you drag the widget, it'll ask you to pick the form created. I'll use the all fields form because it has all the fields that we need to demonstrate. You can start customizing by aligning the title wherever you want. I think it looks better on to the left. Under form fields, you can choose the style of the form, box or underline. Underline, as you can see, it will clearly give a bottom border for each and every field, including the text area field. You can also pick the form size from here. You can add padding. So you can make it compact by adding padding of 5 pixels or so. So it looks something like that. You can change the field background color. I'll just clear it off. You can change the label color. And you can see that here. You can change the input text color as well. So if I pick this, watch what happens when I enter text. So that color is applied over there. I'll again clear this out. You can change the sub-label color or description if you add description to each and every field. Again, that has to be added in the WP Forms form builder interface itself. You can also change this asterisk sign color. Click here and just like that you can change it to whichever color you want. I think that's great. Now you can change the border size, and since we chose border type, it'll just affect the bottom border like that. Change the color as well, obviously, and you can see that there. You click here to go back to the widget, and you can also change the active color of the border. So when I click on it, you can see this particular field is active, or it means that I'm entering data into this field. This is the color that will be shown. You can change it to anything else. Maybe you can change it to this. So that looks kind of neat. You can actually clear it out. Kind of neat little way. You can add rounded borders. So you can add a 40 pixel or whatever pixels in here. You can click on radio and checkbox button, and this is really cool because radio and checkboxes are not really easily styled using CSS, but you can simply toggle this on and just start changing the things from here. You can change the size of the radio button and also the checkbox buttons, change the background color like that, but white looks okay. And you can also change the selected color. So when I pick a color, this is the color that's applied. You can change the label color for radio buttons and also the checkboxes like that. You can click on the submit button. You can style submit button as well, starting with the alignment. You can align it, add a padding, You can also add a gradient background. So I'll pick a gradient for it. So something like that. You can change the text color as well. Maybe that would do. And all the regular settings. Now you can also change the typography and the colors of various messages. So for form success, form validation and stuff, you can change the message color and stuff like that. And this is just how to get started, and it takes you to the documentation site of Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. You can click on style again. Now again, this gives you various spacing options. You can add space between the form title and other form fields. I don't have description, so this is not valid. I can also add space between the fields and space between label and the field itself. Sublabel, I don't have sublabel, so again the same thing can be done for radio and checkboxes. So you can apply spacing for radio and checkbox buttons. You can also align the submit button. Maybe you can add some space above or below it, so something like that. And finally you can change the typography of each and everything. So I can simply pick this, change the color, change the font size, all that. It's all visual and everything works flawlessly. You don't have to write a single piece of code, and all this is possible because of the powerful Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor plugin. Now I've also taught you how to do this using CSS, but I think this will be a great option for a lot of beginners because a lot of people are not really comfortable writing code. So this should be a great way to style your WP forms, contact forms using Ultimate Add-ons. And not just this, there are many things in Ultimate Add-ons which we'll be discussing. So if you found this video helpful, called Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor, you can get it from the link in the description, and that's an affiliate link, so that will help me earn a small commission so that I can make more content like this. If you watched this video and if you really like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. That's it for now. That's how you style WP forms without writing a single piece of CSS code using this WP forms styler widget in Ultimate Add-ons for Elementor. That's pretty much it for now. Hopefully you understood it, how easy it is to style your WP forms. I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.